We got one of our half-pound burgers. We're going low carb. For it. Clean off some of the grease. Grease is good. Makes your heart stop working. Load it up with cheese. More cheese, please. And we'll cut that way. We got some jalapeno. Oops. Houston, we have a problem. Extra one, or not. We got that bacon jerky. And attention listeners, don't want to eat that. Spread out that bacon jerky. Dollar Tree, believe it or not. It was a whim buy. Hey, let's give it a try. There you go. Cut right through. Oops, Houston, we have a problem. Cheese is flying everywhere. And there you go. That's my dinner. Tonight we're going to do it with some, I don't know, some Bullseye everyday barbecue sauce. I definitely threw mustard in there. Let's give it a taste. Probably's got some hot sauce in there. Let's hope. Barbecue sauce and mustard goes so well together. Yep, little hot sauce. I could taste it. All right, there's my dinner. Yummy. Love it.